Samantala, kinumpirma ni Israel Ambassador to the Philippines Ilan Floss na nagpalipad ng missiles ang Iran sa kabila na idineklarang ceasefire ni United States President Donald Trump. Sa panayam ng kasanggamon langit sa Abante Radyo, sinabi ni Floss na 2 oras lang ang lumipas matapos ipatupad ang tigil putukan ay kaagad namang umatake ang Iran laban sa kanila.
Day after the ceasefire entered into force, and 2 hours later, Iran has launched another missile attack. And obviously, Israel has responded in a constrained way to this specific attack. And I hope that from now on, we'll see that Iran will not violate once again the ceasefire.
Katutulong ang umiiral na ceasefire para malimitahan ang paglulunsad ng Iran sa kanilang nuclear missile at military programs na anyay nakakaalarma na para sa kanilang seguridad at sa buong mundo.
We have seen Iran building up its forces, building up its capability in both the nuclear military program and missile program in an alarming way, and I talked about it before. And this is, from one side, was an imminent threat to the existence of the State of Israel. But as I said before, it was a threat to the region at large and to the world. And here we have seen the outcome of this threat.
Pero duda ito kung madadaan pa sa diplomasya ang matagal na nilang problema sa Iran.
We gave diplomacy an opportunity until we started the operation in June 13. We gave diplomacy a chance. And now we do hope that things will change. The question is, and I would say the challenge is, that the Iranian intentions and its ideology to annihilate, to destroy the State of Israel are still there. So you ask yourself, will diplomacy be able to end this threat and to make sure Iran would change its way?
Si Israel Ambassador to the Philippines Ilan Floss sa panayam ng DWAR Abante Radyo.